Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change wheels on a Tesla Model 3. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and engaging the parking brake. Next, collect all necessary tools, including a reliable specific jack pads for Tesla, a lug nut wrench, and a calibrated torque wrench. Having your replacement wheel and tire readily accessible will streamline the process. Now, let's safely lift your Model 3. Identify the 4 designated jacking points located on the vehicle's frame near each wheel. These are crucial to avoid damaging the battery. Position a Tesla-specific jack pad onto your jack's lifting point. Slowly raise the vehicle, ensuring the jack pad remains securely in place until the wheel you are changing is completely clear of the ground. With the vehicle safely lifted, you can now remove and install your wheels. If you haven't already, loosen the lug nuts with your wrench while the wheel is still slightly on the ground. Once lifted, remove all lug nuts completely and carefully take off the wheel. Place the new wheel onto the hub, then hand tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure proper seating. For the final steps, carefully lower your Model 3 to the ground. Using a torque wrench, tighten each lug nut to 129 foot-pounds, following a star pattern for even pressure. It's important to recheck the lug nut torque after driving about 50 miles to ensure they remain secure. For more helpful tips and great deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below. Proper wheel maintenance is key for your Tesla's performance and safety.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.